Let's dive in and learn letter sounds. First, say the letter name and then say the sound. Are you ready? A spells A, ant. B spells B, bat. C spells K, cat. D spells D, dog. E spells E, edge. F spells F, fish. G spells G, gate. H spells H, hat. I spells I, itch. J spells J, jam. K spells K, kit. L spells L, lemon. M spells mouse. N spells nut. O spells O, octopus. P spells P, pop. Q spells Qu, queen. R spells R, rabbit. S spells S, sun. T spells T, tap. U spells A, up. V spells V, vase. W spells W, window. X spells X, fox. Y spells Y, yellow. Z spells Z, zip. Play this again and practice until you are super confident.